Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on Wealthsimple. First, go to my.wealthsimple.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, search for the stock you want to place a stop loss on. For example, Tesla. Next, click on the stock and on the right-hand side, tap Buy. Under Order Type, change it from Market Buy to Stop Limit Buy. Now you can set your stop price and limit price. This will automatically sell your stock if it drops to that level, helping you manage your risk. And that's it. You've successfully set a stop loss on Wealthsimple. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.